Hello guys, how's everyone? Well, today we're going to do pork ribs. We want to get some lemon because you want to clean this. I don't know how some people eat meat and they never clean their meat. You must clean the meat. Then we're going to use some delicious red wine. Poured all over it, as you've seen right there. We're going to let this process like around 5 to 6 minutes. Just let it marinate with the lemon and the wine. All right, guys, now that I let the meat marinate in the wine and in the lemon, these are the products that we're going to use. Of course, I'm going to use some adobo. So you can sweat out the meat. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. I'm also going to use natural garlic as well because I love garlic. Then you're going to use oregano. I used the Dominican one. I actually bought this in the Dominican Republic. Some paprika. Some ginger powder. It off with brown sugar. And just go ahead, don't be scared. Marinate the meat as so. And there you go. We're gonna let this marinate about an hour or about an hour. We'll let it marinate, let's say an hour or 30 minutes if you're in a rush. There you go. Now we're gonna do the rice. I took a steel pot and it's heating, as you see. You're gonna put some Goya tomato paste. We're gonna put some Goya picadito. You could do 2 spoons. If you want to put some more, you can. I'm going to put some sweet olives. I love olives. Again, Dominican oregano. A little bit of adobo. Goya pork flavor. Just a tad. Two bay leaves. Cubito de sopa. I like to put 2. We want to give it some color. So you're going to put some Goya color in it. First, red onions, garlic, and cilantro. And you're going to mix that all in there. Then we're going to take the Goya beans and dip it right in there. And let all of that marinate. Make sure you get every little piece. And let that cook a bit. You want to get a little bit of water if you want. and pour it in. And make sure that the little cubes of seasoning that you put in have dissolved completely. And make sure you scrape the bottom of the pot so you get all those amazing flavors. What you want to do is, this rice that we already cleaned, we've already cleaned this rice. You must clean your rice. Whoever tells you to not clean your rice, it's just disgusting and dirty. You've got to clean your rice. When you're done is, you just pour your rice right in. Make sure you get every grain, every little grain of rice. Make sure that you get inside of the pot. Then you're gonna take a cup of water and pour it in. Not too much. You gotta see till when. You don't wanna drown your rice and your beans together. So blend it in. And if you think you need more, you put a little more. When you can't see the beans and the rice anymore because they're under the water, that's when you officially know that that's enough water, because you don't want your rice to be dried up. You're gonna go ahead, put aluminum foil on top, cover it up, leave it on very low fire, and leave it up to 20 to 30 minutes. All right, guys, this is so simple. This is not brain surgery. As you guys see here, there is lettuce, which we already washed, tomatoes, radish, cannot forget the avocado, and cucumbers. So you're gonna get a little bit of lemon. You're gonna cut red onions, and we're gonna make the dressing of the salad. Then we're gonna get some olive oil. And some vinegar. Again, we're gonna use oregano. I use the Dominican one. Black pepper. And some salt for taste. We're gonna mix that up. You're gonna let this marinate. And then later we're gonna use this for our salad, which is simple. Dress it all over it, and then we are going to then mix our greens with our forks. Simple as that. All done. All right, guys, so we took out the ribs from the oven. We took off the aluminum foil. As you see, it's not all the way cooked, but then what we're gonna do is put some barbecue sauce all over the ribs. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. While we put that back in the oven, remember our rice. So our rice, we're gonna go ahead, take off the aluminum foil, and our rice is absolutely done. You just want to go ahead and shake it around. It smells delicious. And there goes our rice. I'll be back to let you guys know the finishing product. There we go, guys. That's how you cook perfect, delicious pork brown sugar ribs. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our final look. What we did was we took the dressing and put it right over the salad. Our ribs, our rice and beans, And some glass of wine. Can't go wrong. Bon appetit.